Hello everyone, today using Photopea I'm going to show you the healing brush tool. This is a great little tool for removing or adding different parts of the image and then blending it together to finalize and make the image look better. So to get onto Photopea, it's a case of going to photopea.com, which will load this website. So the image I'm going to use today is this image of this lady. However, we have a problem where she has a couple of spots on her forehead, which we are going to remove. So the healing brush tool we're going to use is located on the side, on the left, and what you want is the second option. So click down and you've got the healing brush tool there. So can you see it's just a circle? You can make the circle bigger by using the different indicator on the side. I'm just going to use 70 for now. That's perfect. What's important here is you've got to use the keyboard. So using a clear pair of skin, I'm going to use the Alt tab on the keyboard and click down on the Alt tab, and then with the mouse left click, and then with the keyboard you can then remove the Alt, and the circle then should appear as the clear bit of skin that you've just chosen. So you can see the little shade of pink there. So all I'm going to do now is carefully click on top of these spots. If the skin is clear, then it'll work brilliantly. So you've got to make sure, if you need to choose a different shade of skin, then as you can see this is different shade here. All I'm going to do again is click Alt, click and Alt away, and then you can just use that bit of skin. If the skin is darker or lighter, you can edit the different skin types. But generally, if the skin is of, if it's a front-on picture, you should be okay just using that. You can also use it in a different photo, for example, this landscape photo. So all I'm going to do here is, as you can see, you've got a lot of flowers on top here. I'm just going to add a couple down the bottom where there's a lot of grass here. So using my healing brush, I'm going to make the size bigger. For example, I'm just going to take this flower down here, and I'm just going to take the Alt again, hold down the Alt, click on the mouse, release the Alt, and then just, let's do it again. There we go. And then you can add different flowers, whatever you want. So you can generally click on different ones that you want, and then you can just draw them in. And what it does, it tries to blend into the image. So just be very careful. If it goes wrong, like I said, you always got to edit and undo. But like I said, have a bit of fun. It's best used for an image like this, but you can still use it for landscapes to duplicate and blend in different images. Okay, thank you.